Time for another rip-roaring good time on the old data analytics channel here. We're going to continue to work on our E-SaleS analysis of our E-SaleS data set. I'll give you a quick heads up. Be sure to come back to set that bell icon, because on Friday night I'm going to be posting another video on how to on the quadratic AI spreadsheet program. That's going to be about Benny's breakfast bar. We're going to use quadratic to create 5,000 rows of breakfast bar data. Then we're going to begin to analyze. Be sure to I'll put a link to that video in the description. So be sure to click that bell icon, be notified when I actually go live. Okay, so what we're going to do is, as you can see, we're going to use Gemini instead of Copilot. So let's get. This evening. It's always a good idea to tell your AI what it's working with. I didn't ask you to do anything. You know, this is going to actually be interesting. So what we're going to do, we're going to come over here. We're going to who knows, it may have answered all the questions for us. I didn't ask you to create any code yet, okay? I just said, here it is. Ooh, these queries provide a strong foundation. Interesting. So what do we got up here? We didn't give it any questions, okay? Okay, let's break down some insightful queries based on providing table scheme on the provided. Yes, we do. Okay, first of all, comprehensive sales analysis, sales performance by category, subcategory, partition. Okay, top selling products detailed. I'll tell you what, my friends, what the heck, let's just go ahead and see what we got here, shall we? All right, if you say so. Okay, so we got category. The category doesn't make any sense. Total sales, average sales, order count, subcategory rank within order count. So what we can do now, we can come over here, I do believe, and say, select all, copy with header. So we're going to start a little spreadsheet, a little Excel action here, okay? We can start with this one here. Okay. So we got ranks here. Subcategory rank within category, okay? Total sales, order count, team pieces. That's the of course the order the category doesn't make any sense. So this is subcategory. Okay. Oh, I don't know. Let's come back over here then. Let's take a look at our next question then, shall we? Top selling products. Top selling products detail. Identifies the top selling products based on total sales, shows the number of times each product was ordered, and calculates the average quantity sold per order. So what you can see here is we're using a we're not really doing anything, are we? Product lookup, round the sum, count the orders, round the average quantity sold, and sort by total sales descending. Okay. Once again, go here, let's select all, copy with headers. Here's our next sheet. Save this. We're here. More locations. Numbats, not what we're looking for. But let's put it underneath. Let's put it underneath download for right now. Okay, good. So can we do something here? Let's try something here. Product lookup and order count. Insert plot. Okay, so how come this didn't work? This drives me crazy sometimes. You'd think it would use the information here, wouldn't you? So why doesn't it recognize it? Okay, so it recognizes this one are right next to each other, okay? Let's change plot type. So there's one plot there, okay? Let's come back over here and do a quick plot over by subcategory. Subcategory. This is going to be kind of hard to do. So let's come back over here to our code. Let's take a look at our third thing. Sales trends over time, daily, monthly, quarterly, yearly, enhanced. Daily sales analysis. Let's go over here. Do this. Select all. Copy with headers. This one should be a good one to work with over here. Let's see what we got. insert line plot. Not too bad. So we do see a little bit of an increase there. Okay, good. Let's go back over here. Now what's next? Next is quarterly sales. Year, date, part, and quarter. So quarterly sales. You know, I hate to admit it, but daggone it, it's doing a pretty good job with this. Okay, it's doing it. It's actually taking all the fun off. I'm all for it, but at some point, you begin to lose it. It's not fun anymore because it's doing all the work for you. Okay, so let's do this. This doesn't make any sense. What does that mean? Quarterly sales quarter. Interesting. There's only 3 columns here. Don't know what that means. So let's go over here. Why haven't we do an insert plot here? Okay, so it didn't quite work right because it didn't recognize the columns. It didn't recognize the quarters. Okay. And let's just do a quick A and a T. Now let's try and see what happens. Yeah, see, it's still not recognizing the quarters, is it? Oh, let's do an insert. Let's do. That's not right. Insert column. So you see what's happening here. It's not recognizing this as a insert pivot tables. Not quite sure why we got this. Existing sheet. Let's put it up here. Okay, so we're going to come over here now. We're going to say rows. Sales year, sales quarter, quarterly sales. Okay. Now let's go over here like this. Oh shoot. Get rid of totals. Insert plot. Okay, good. So now we got year and sales by year. And the good news is the sales since the fourth quarter have pretty much continued to increase. So let's come back over here now. Close that. That's quarterly sales. Let's take a look. Well, yearly sales isn't that big of a deal because we only have basically 1 month from 2023. Okay. Right, so it doesn't really make any sense. So what about moving average sales? Calculate the moving average of the sales over a specific number of days and help identify trends and smooth out daily fluctuations. So we got a 7-day, 14-day. This is a pretty nice. I hate to say it. I am very close to canceling ChaGPT. Okay, so let's run this now. Okay, let's see what we're going to do here now. We're going to say select all, copy with headers. So can we do this? Let's start with this. Insert recommended plot. Okay. Can we do this? Okay. Let's do this. That's the sales, and let's come over to here. Insert. So how about that? How about that? Let's see. What about come over here like this and do this, and then do this and this? Yeah, let's do a bit of it. Let's just challenge it here. Okay, so this is interesting. Okay, this is interesting. So this is daily sales with the 7-day moving average. This is even more interesting. This is a 7-day moving average with the moving average on top. Very nice. Very nice indeed, my friends. Very nice indeed. Okay. What's next? Average transaction value. Calculate the overall average transaction value. Show the average transaction value by customer class. Okay, that's kind of odd. Let's try this again. Wholesale retail. Okay, good. Show sales by country. Show total sales, average sales, order count for each country, and rank countries by total sales. Now, I believe the UK is going to be here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, United Kingdom. Let's change this to, okay. Oh, that's not what we want up there, do we? Come down here and say, okay, so now we got the top 10 customers by total sales, okay? Let's do this. Let's do it by average sale. Okay. Oh. It's interesting when you do that, you don't actually put let's rank them by average sales. Top 10 by average sales. Okay, so who has the most sales? The most sales in terms of average sales, select all copy with headers. Come over here, put this over here. What's interesting is, of course, is that the UK isn't in the top 10 in terms of average sales. So I'm going to Control T. So let's do this. Insert bar plot. Let's do that. Okay. What else? Let's do by country rank. Insert bar plot. Okay. So now we got two plots here. We got average rank by average sales, and then we got this over here. Okay. Suppose we come up here. That's just smallest to largest. Look at that. Now we just sorted it by small. But I prefer to have it largest to smallest. Okay, there we go. So now they're ranked in terms of the number of orders by the country rank. Okay. But let's change a thing up there, of course. So let's come back. Let's do average sales again. Largest to smallest. Smallest to largest. Okay, there we go. All right. I hate to say it, but Gemini GI is doing a really good job. Customer segment report. Wholesales, resales. Okay. Probably not worth plotting. Let's see. Unique customer count. Unique customer and product counts. Provide a quick overview of the total number of unique customers and products. Okay, nice. Product analysis building up on existing queries. Average quantity sold per product. Details shows the average product sold per product for each. Okay, good. Over here, let's take a look at this. Ranked by, what is it ranked by? Oh, so it's the top 20. Okay, good. Ordered by average quantity sold per order. Okay. Sales analysis building on existing queries. Show the distribution of orders by status, completed versus cancelled. Sales, average order. Okay, good. Geographic analysis, sales by country. So total sales, average sales, order count for each country, ranked by total sales. That looks good. Let's see. Additional considerations. Product combination, seasonal trends, peak sales, hours, day. We don't have, okay. So that, my dear friends, is going to bring this session to a close. A very quick, but also a very productive night. I have to tell you, I am really pleased with what Gemini AI came up with without us actually even asking a question. All we gave it was just a description of the table, and it did the rest. This is pretty doggone impressive, guys. I must say, okay, I must say. So anyway, that takes care of our session for tonight. Be sure to come back on Friday to check out that new quadratic AI spreadsheet video. That video begins with us creating 5,000 records for Benny's breakfast bar restaurant, and a quick 2 or 3 plot analysis to go along with it. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and we will catch you Friday night. If not Friday,